Alright, this video is a quick walkthrough of circuitpeople.com's service for uploading and rendering Gerber files. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do, of course, is open up the Circuit People homepage. Bring up the browser, open the page, pretty simple. Obviously, this is our site for uploading, viewing, sharing, and hopefully soon ordering circuit boards. First thing you got to do is select a file that you'd like to render. That can be either a package zip file of Gerbers or a single Gerber file, as long as it's an extended Gerber. So just select the file you'd like to upload, click on View, and we'll immediately render those and show them to you. Okay, as you can see, you have a bunch of thumbnails across the top there. Each one with the tooltip saying which file within the zip it was. Each one of those is representative of a particular Gerber file. You have a name of the file and how we assume it's going to be used. You have their resolution selection. You can render in, for very small thumbnails, medium-sized images, all the way up to 600 dpi, which is basically production level rendering. You can go through here, pick each layer, verify that it contains the content you thought it did, based on the use. Important to notice that we support rendering of most of the features in the Gerber format, including polygons, macros with assignment expressions. Pretty complete support. So you'll find that the renderings are pretty good. You can choose a high resolution if you really want to get into the detail and check out what's actually down there, or a lower resolution if you just need something to visualize. There are some formats we still aren't supporting at this point, with those being Exelon. We do identify them, know they're there. We aren't rendering drill drawings automatically from that. It's something we plan to add here in the near future. Alright, the other thing you can do is download your images all in a package. So you go, first step here is to make sure you've got the right DPI. You want a little bit larger of an image. So we're going to click that download link and we're going to get a zip file with all of the rendered images. So let's go ahead and save that to disk right now, and then open it up real quick. Alright, and those are all of our rendered PNGs, one for each layer in the file. It'll pop up a level here and expand that file so we can look at them outside the zip. Just going to create a quick directory there, and then using the standard Windows preview tool, comes with Windows XP and Vista. Just pop through them real quick and see each of those files. From here you can drag and drop those straight into Word or whatever other documentation system you might have. Email them for review. It's up to you. Pictures are yours at that point. Now, if you need some thumbnails, next step, we'll just go down here below, select a smaller DPI, so say 25, get nice little thumbnail images, download them again. Again, we get a different, again, we get a package of zips with images in them this time. Instead of being full-size renderings, we'll take a quick peek at these and we get tiny little thumbnail images. It'll be good for website posting, that kind of thing. So that's pretty much Circuit People in a nutshell. When we'd like to point out, we support uploading either a single Gerber file, has to be X series extended Gerber, or a set of Gerbers, and then if you're putting up the set, we support old D style. You just have to include the aperture files. So I'd encourage you to go give it a try. Head out to circuitpeople.com and see what we can do.